This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. Please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 82 of your step-by-step build of Optimus Prime. He's going to look like that in the end. Quite impressive, quite daunting, especially, if you imagine him being, the size of a house. Target Optimus. Get shot at a lot. Yeah, that's the one with the nanobot things. I'll have to watch that one again. I haven't seen that for a long time. Energon, the fuel of the Transformers. Yeah. Energon batteries. Hot Rod. Yeah, sounds familiar. Don't remember the tiny toy. I remember him being bigger, but again, must be memory going crazy with me. Transformers Prime, the aligned continuity. Nope, no memory of that. I'm really into the toys. I wasn't into the... I remember the original cartoon, but not anything the rest of it. CG cartoons, obviously, after my time of being with Transformers. So part 8 of the left foot, we've got the wheel, and we've got the rest of the foot bit. We're finally putting the bits together to end up with just one foot area. So yeah, I like that. But we're ending up with a couple of extra bits again. Soon we're going to add them on, no doubt. But for now, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get it built. Okay, so we've got our whole foot assembly and the little underfoot assembly. I did tighten that up, but that's as tight as it gets. And it's still a bit loose, but really a problem. So we've got this bit as well, which we're going to be using, well, now actually. These we're not using yet, so I should put those aside for later. That's probably the last bit that we're putting on. So we've got to add this to that, with that going on that way round. Like that, we need an HP screw to hold those together. One of those, one left in there, that will be spare. Add that to my pile of spare bits. Going from that side. Go. We will need an FP screw. Again, one of those is spare. Go over there. This is going on to our piece here. That way around. It's going on that bit. The only bit that's left, so it's not really much option. That out of the way. That goes on there. Screw will go through from that side. Go. So that's that. Tightened up in there again. I think I need a bigger screwdriver for that. Go. That's again still a little sloppy. Let's try tightening that a touch more. Not really moving that, so that will be fine, I'm sure. We've got 2 IP screws, which are going to be used to hold that whole thing onto the base of that now. So, as I suspected, that's going to go on there like that. We've got the 2 posts for it and the 2 bits that line up. That's attached, that's attached. Let's make sure that's going in the right place there. Right, let's try that again. There and there. Pretty much like that. Get one in so it holds it plugged together. Get the other one in and then tighten it all down. Not going to be long enough to go in there. Let's go back to that screwdriver there. That will go in there. The other one tightened up while I'm here as well. And then make sure that one is also still tight. Yep. So there we go. So we've got those that are a little bit floppy, but that'll be fine because he's not going to be standing up very much anyway, is he? Well, he's going to be standing up, but not using those to stop himself from falling over. That's that. Then we've got the last piece, which just pops in place over the top on that post there. That out the way a little bit. That on there. Like so. So there we have it. We've got that bit ready for that bit ready for that, and the rest of it all good to go. Yeah, pretty much all lined up and ready. Sorry about that bit on the inside there though, but that's obviously just where that sort of sits. I remember that on the other foot, but I'm sure it was there. But yeah, there we go. Foot completed, or sort of completed. Tyre ready for next time. So thank you for watching. I shall see you for more next time when we're going to continue with the foot or other things. We've got one more bit of gun to do at some point in this pack. So might be next time, might be later. Anyway, for now, thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.